Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my R2-D2 experiment. I wanted to change the format a little bit and just give you regular updates rather than specifics. I think last time I left off with the buzzsaw. Here's a couple of versions of the internals that I created for the buzzsaw. Finally ending up with something that was longer. This is a picture of what happens when you don't clean the overflowed filament off your stepper motor. The belt comes out stretched and your prints get larger than you anticipated. This is me cutting out the door above the buzzsaw, which is where the zapper or the charge port is. I've got something planned for that if it comes out the way I hope, it's going to be amazing. Can't wait to get more video of that once that's developed. I decided to reprint the holder and the internal parts for the buzzsaw in black. I love the way the black looks against the white. I might repaint all my door innards in black. But here's the longer buzzsaw internal mechanism, little brace there up against the side. I've also been working on the zapper and got something in the mail to get that going. Yeah, that's an example of what I got, and it's pretty terrifying in person and quite loud. That I'll definitely use with caution. So in my 3D CAD program, I designed the periscope top because I wanted the recessed magnets in, like seen here, and because I wanted the back to come off and also the top obviously to come off, so I can work on the electronics and everything that goes along with it easier. This is some 3D printing of the top pie plate that I designed. There you can see the magnet holes that I put in, and you really have to give Mr. Badley an amazing amount of credit, because I'm just designing one thing and it's taken me a week. I know in a few past video I said I didn't like the way my internal electronics were laid out. I didn't like the way the door opening was laid out. So I'm kind of working on that. I have two pieces that I've sandwiched together, and it hinges at the bottom, where I can plug in all my power connections on the back, and that's really coming out really good. I really like the way this looks and how small it is. Basically, how easy it is to work on outside the droid. You can just pop that out, get everything configured and wired up, and then just put it in, plug it in, and it should be good to go. I like to solder all my connections if I can, so that's what I've done there. Really appreciate the views, guys, and the comments, and I'll try and get more updates out to you very soon. Thank you. Take care, guys.